Another day, another video. This time, I'd like to start this by venting out some frustration. Zebronics service team or customer care team, you should be ashamed. You should be ashamed because of the simple fact that not only are you not helping your customers with timely updates, you are trying to punish the person who genuinely wanted to help the community and put them under a lot of heat. Why are you even upset about it in the first place? We get the updates and we install them on our own to have a better overall sounding soundbar. We don't want to reverse engineer your stupid DSP or firmware and build another soundbar brand. We're not greedy like you. We are your product. We buy your product. We are the members of the Sound Guild. You should be thanking this community, not trying to bury it. You guys have some good products out there. Genuinely, you guys have a better reputation than other soundbar brands at this price. So stop acting childish. This video is about Jukebar 9900's version 94 software update. And I would like to thank the sender of this file genuinely from the bottom of my heart. Due to person's request, I am not taking names here. Let's all just start a comment chain and say thank you and show our support. Take that on your face, Zebronics support team. Moving on. The installation process is the same. Take a pendrive in FAT32 format, copy and paste the file. Oh, you can obtain the file by emailing me. My email address is right in the channel description. Once you have the file, insert into your USB. Put your USB onto your soundbar. Go to aux, long press OK button. Once in menu, click right twice for UPG, which is upgrade. Click up arrow button once for main UPG. Then click OK. That's it. Wait till it reaches 100%. After 2 or 3 minutes, power off, remove your plug, put it back in. You're all sorted. Version 94 installed. Congratulations. Now, how is version 94? Is it better than version 91? Is it bass heavy? Is it more refined? Let me answer one by one. The first and foremost noticeable change is the sound stage. The way the sound is thrown out of speakers have significantly improved. The left, center and right channels are much refined, and you really start pointing out from which speaker the sound is being played from. It was muffled on 88 and 90. It became better on version 91 and far exceeds your expectation with 94. The second most noticeable difference is your Atmos channels, and it was good with 91 because it provided you the individual Atmos hearing speakers, but with 94 the output of Atmos channels are just amazing. Amazing is an understatement. My basic Fire Stick audio video demo hits differently, and I've literally watched so many movies and shows across all the formats, and here's my real breakdown. And I do have good news. People who watch only streaming content, if you have a TV that supports Dolby Atmos and you're getting Dolby Atmos, you already are in a sweet spot. Because Dolby Digital or Dolby Digital plus Atmos, all of it sounds so much better, and you really might not miss out on lossless audio like True HD or DTS HD Master Audio. If you're not a sound enthusiast, the lossless audio will not even take a hit. My sound settings are all at 0, no tweaks done because I felt it's not required. You can certainly try the below, which is center at 2, treble at 3, surround at 2 and bass at 0 or 1, and then continue tweaking from there, keeping that as a starting point. The other aspect is the bass. It's not boomy, it's not overpowered. Some might say it's slightly lower than what it was on 91, but trust me, this is how a refined soundbar should sound. Lossless audio remains unbeaten, is just as good as it was before and much more refined now with the updates. No complaints whatsoever. Who are into lossless audio, you guys will have amazing time.
You dismissed my mother in her own house.
Now, in all honesty, I would like to thank Zebronics where credit is due. The team that's working on software updates for these soundbars deserve recognition, and if someone from Zebronics who has an open mind is watching this video, please say our thanks to them. I don't know if we'll ever get any updates for 9900 after 94, but if you ask my opinion, I don't need another update, and I'll gladly close the software update chapter with 94. It's not pitch perfect, but it's near perfect, and I'm happy about it. Now, we have waited for this a long time, so people who haven't updated, drop an email, get your update done, and let's all enjoy this. If you've already updated to 94, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in another one.